Hi, I'm Miss Tanner. I'm the librarian over at the Point Webster Middle School, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use the Biography and Context database to find information about people. So we're going to start out at the Thomas Crane Library site. It's thomascranelibrary.org, as you can see up here. And we're going to come over to where it says Research and then Databases. Now, from here, we can search databases by subject, go to Biography, and then Biography in Context. Now, all the in context databases work pretty much the same way, but we'll go through starting with Biography here. So, if you know the person's name you're looking for, you can just enter them right here in the search box. There are different ways to browse and search for people. I will let you explore those on your own. Now, if we start with somebody who is very well known, let's go with David Bowie, because we can. Now, there's a lot of information on David Bowie. So at the top, they give you this bar about him. They're giving you blurb from one of the articles. They give you the quick facts. Then if you scroll down a little, now it's showing you there's featured content, and usually the featured content, it's something from there that makes it into this overview block. The biographies, in this case, it says there are 9 of them, but it's only showing us 3. So now we can click through there. And up at the top right now, we've selected just biographies, but you can also find things out of magazines, out of newspapers, sometimes video, sometimes audio, like recorded interviews and things like that. So you can take a look through. Right now, I'm just sticking with biographies. Now, next to each one, there's a symbol with a content level, and the more stars it has, the more complex it is. So you can filter your results to just certain content levels if you want. You don't need to. So now, when you find an article that you want, you can just go right into it. And I'm going to use this one because it's a slightly shorter one. Now, it gives you the title of the article, when it was published, where it was published, and some information about it. You can have the article translated into many languages, whatever is easiest for you. You can enlarge, you can change the font size, put that back, and you can listen to it. It is just text to speech.
About this person. Born January 8th, 1947 in London, United Kingdom.
All right, I'm going to stop that because I don't want to listen to it. Now, you've got the whole text of the article, bibliography. Down here at the bottom, there's the option for the source citation. You can just copy and paste this right into your report and not have to worry about, did I cite it properly? Did I set it up properly? Now, across the top here, you also have a cite button, and that does the exact same thing. At the middle school level, we mostly use MLA, but check with your teacher to see if you should be citing an MLA style, APA style, or Chicago style. You can have the article sent directly into your Google Drive, or you can email it to yourself. You can download the article, you can print it out, and you can get what's called a permalink. Now, this is a link where whenever you use this particular link, it will take you to this article, nowhere else. If you use the URL up here in the address bar, it will not find this article again. This is what's known as a dynamic URL. So now if we were to look for somebody who is perhaps a little less famous, let's go with James Preller. He's a writer. He has written for young kids and teen audiences. Now it brings up a screen like this, and we just go straight into the biographies. And everything else here works pretty much the exact same way. So this is just a very quick overview of how the biography database works and how you can get into other parts of it, how you can dig through and filter your results and things like that. Again, all the in-context databases work pretty much the same way. And if you have any questions, please, by all means, get in touch with either the local library or your school librarian. Thank you.